I'm Anna Goulet Zimmerman, and I'm one of the partners here at the Law Office of Manning & Zimmerman. I handle our divorce cases. Divorces take many different forms. Some people have very contentious divorces that go all the way through to a final hearing, and a judge decides what's going to happen with the children, the property, the issues. Some people work things out on their own over the kitchen table before they even get to the courthouse and file an agreed petition and agreed decree. Most cases fall somewhere in between the two of those. People often call and ask me what types of cases are there, what are their options for resolving their case. One of the areas in which I am trained and we offer services, as do other people in this area, is collaborative law. In a collaborative case, you work together as a team. You have your own attorney, and your spouse will have his or her own attorney. But those attorneys and the parties all sign an agreement that says they're going to work through the process and reach agreements on all issues pertaining to your divorce without going to court. At the end, the agreements all get filed with the court, and you do have a court order, but the idea is to resolve those matters between yourselves with a team of professionals to assist you in a matter that is done, again, collaboratively. At the start of the process, the attorneys and the parties will sign a collaborative agreement that specifically recognizes these goals and what everyone hopes to do through the process. As a result, if anyone breaks the agreement, anyone decides they no longer want to use the collaborative process and they want to go to court, they can do so. There's nothing to stop them from doing that. But everybody has to get new attorneys. The professionals that have been involved cannot be involved in the court process, and so it's kind of a starting over at that point, a new beginning, and setting aside all the hard work and effort that you've already put in or the progress you've made through the collaborative process. To help everyone get to a resolution, we often work with a team of other collaboratively trained professionals. This can include a coach who helps the parties understand the process, how to deal with each other, hot button issues they might have. It usually includes a financial advisor. This is a neutral financial advisor. His or her job is not to provide individual advice to either of the parties or to represent them, and they're not allowed to represent them when the collaborative process is done. Rather, what they do is they help look at what's happening with the assets, what's this going to mean for everyone's future, what is everybody's budget going to look like, what are they going to be able to save for retirement, those sort of factors, so you can understand what the long-term outcome of the decisions being reached is. There are other individuals who are sometimes involved, but those are kind of the four most common. Again, all those professionals, including the attorneys, should have completed collaborative training. So if this is something you're looking for, you want to look up and confirm that you have a collaboratively trained attorney. And you can certainly ask them about that when you meet if you're not sure. As with all areas of the law, you want to make sure you've researched your attorney a little bit, take advantage of any consultations they offer, come in and talk sometimes with several attorneys to make sure it's someone you're comfortable with, someone who's going to be able to represent you, someone who you feel understands what your concerns are, and who can help you through the process. We do collaborative cases, so there are other people in the area who do them as well. The Collaborative Law Alliance of New Hampshire has a list on their website of individuals who are trained in collaborative law. It's not for everyone. I mean, there are certainly cases and people who've come to me who I have told them I don't think it's an appropriate way to proceed in their case. But in many cases, it is an option, and it is a way that people really feel like they've been able to go through their divorce in a productive manner, and for a variety of reasons is more attractive to them than going through the litigation process. So if you're not sure and you're wondering if collaborative might be appropriate for you, I'd urge you to have a consultation with a collaborative law attorney. If you have any questions that I can answer, I'm happy to speak to you about the process generally, or about whether it might be appropriate in your case. Thank you.